Hello everybody YouTube, hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day. Right, today I'm going to be cooking some salad potatoes, some closed cup mushrooms, which are probably out of date by a couple of days, but they should be alright. I've got a couple of sausages left over from last night's cook. So they're the ultimate pork sausage. They're in there. Got a bit of black pudding left, which I need to use up today. And I've got some teriyaki marinade. And I've got one of these that I haven't used yet. What's it say there? It says it's aged jalapenos, honey, in the sweet heat, showstopper. So I'm going to chuck a bit of this in with a bit of that, but they're going to take on hopefully a bit of this marinade and a bit of that, depending on how hot and spicy it is. As you can see, I've not opened it. There's the seal. There you go, it's open. First impressions, what's it taste like? I'll stick a bit on a spoon and I'll tell you. There you go. I've got a little taster. That's quite hot, that is. But I tell you what, that tastes very similar to that. Oh, it's going to put some fire in that. Right, I'm going to, so the potatoes are just going to go in to the microwave. I'm just going to blast them. 8 minutes, full power. And get some mushrooms on the go. Going to put them in some butter and try and brown them off a little bit before adding the potatoes and the other bits and pieces. Right, to the pan. Don't know if you want to watch me chop up a potato. There you go. There you go, microwave. There you go, 8.5 minutes. I still don't know how to use the microwave. I could use a knife, but where's the fun in that? This wasn't one of my greatest ideas, but it worked out alright in the end, as you will see. Well, I suppose if I turned it the right way, it would probably work a bit better. Making a mess of those sausages wasn't enough. I had to do the other one the same. I feel like this ain't working for me. Okay, massive. I'm not going to say it. You're right, maybe I should have, but I didn't, because I thought I'd try this, but never mind, eh? Next time I won't bother. But look at all that sausage meat I've got in there. Lovely. The mushrooms look cooked. The potatoes look cooked. The sausage was already cooked, but that's in there now as well. And the teriyaki sauce, marinade. In there, let's turn it down a bit. It looks like it needs a bit of something in it. Oh, a bit of fire sauce. A bit of this hot honey Sriracha. Good blast of that in there. Bringing the fire to the pan. Right, I'm just going to let that cook for a minute, I think. Just a bit left over, just use it up. Should I have any peppers or anything? What you got? Cup of cheese. I think that's about it then. That is what it's going to be. Possibly the black pudding, the sausage and all of that is going to soak up some of that flavour. Possibly. Just fancied something a bit spicy tonight, that's all. I've still got a bit of tiger bloomer left. So I'm just going to have a little bit of that for dipping. I'm just going to pop it in the air fryer. Standard sort of thing, 3 minutes at 240. In a Ninja. It's max crisp, 240. 3 minutes. Here we go. So it shouldn't take long. It should take about 3 minutes, I think. Something like that. I mean, usually I would put some jalapenos in there, but there's no point. There's already something that's Sriracha, honey Sriracha. Oh yeah. I should smell it because it smells lovely. It's going to be like fire though, isn't it? Like honey Sriracha. There you go, yeah, sauce shop. I got it from I got a Christmas present, I think it was. There's like 5 bottles of it. We've been crafting, tasting sauces, the sauce shop since 2014. Every bottle is made with natural ingredients and uncompromising focus on flavour. Why? Because our sauce can be make or break a meal. Whether you're cooking up a storm on Sunday morning or hosting a barbecue sauce shop, brings the flavour. I'd imagine that's going to be quite nice on some eggs. Yeah. Oh. Bang. Right. Yeah. That looks about done. It's got to be 3 minutes, is it? Oh, that smells lovely, that does. Right, but with the black pudding and the mushrooms and the potatoes and the ultimate sausage, of course. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Couple of bits of bread. Pop pop. Well, that looks alright, doesn't it? As for the bread, I mean, that's a lovely. But there you go. I wasn't sure, you know, when I put the sausage through the I should have put the sausage through there, but to be fair, it don't look terrible. Right, let's have a taste. Right. Oh, sorry. Really? I'll put that down there, shall I? Hopefully you won't hear it today. That's quite hot, that is. That, with those sausages and that teriyaki marinade and the honey sriracha sauce, the mushrooms, the black pudding, all coming together. That's really nice. So yeah, that's that tastes delicious, that does. I love the sweetness of the honey with sauce. It's definitely got a kick to it. So, what's it like in a sandwich? Sticky it looks. Have a great day tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow.